Hello, good day everyone. How are you doing? It is Opeyemi and I want to welcome you to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can create your business on Google for more visibility. So whatever business you are doing and you need to show it more for visibility, you need to create an account on Google for more visibility. So all you need to do is just to go to your browser, your Chrome browser, then search for google.com/business. So click on google.com/business. So an interface will show up like this. An interface will show up like this. So all you have to do is just to click on the menu here. Can you see the menu? Just click on it because you have to sign in. Let me indicate the sign in for you here. Can you see it down there? So click on sign in to open an account with them, and you see an interface like this that you should write your business name, then your business category. So the business I want to create on Google is my online VTU, which is my business. I have a business online VTU, so I have to write the name here. My online VTU data is actually a platform where you can buy your data from, your cable subscription, your exam pin, most especially your airtime at a cheaper price. So I'm going to register it on Google now for more visibility. If you want the website, you can, the app rather, you can go to your Play Store, search for my online VTU, then you see the app. So you can just download and fund your wallet, then enjoy the lowest part of the services. So now the category of the business is telecommunication. Category is telecommunication, so I can just see some ideas that pop up, so I have to choose one. Let me just choose telecommunication school, then click on next. So do you want to add a location so that customer can visit your store or office? Then I can say yes, then click on next. Enter your business address. So located in Nigeria, number 38 Odukoyi Street, Akure, then Akure South Local Government, then the city is Akure too. The postal code for Akure, then I will quickly go to my browser to look for the postal code of Akure. Then I will have to go to my browser. Then right now I want to use Chrome to search for Akure postal code. Here is my postal code 34000, then 1. I have to put it here 34000, then 1. Ondo State. Click on next. So is this your business? Okay, they said it looks like your business might already have a business profile on Google. If you see your business, select it and will help you improve your business profile. I click on none of this because I don't have a registered business on Google. Now, where are you located? Akure. So then I'll click on next. Do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? So I will click on no because I don't. Now you have to put your phone number. So let me put my phone number to register the data business. So do you have a website? Of course I have a website, myonlinevtu.com. So that is the site you can buy your data at a cheaper price. For as low as 225 naira, you buy your MC, your data, your Airtel, your Glo, and others. So I click on next now. Get updates about your business. Will you like alert, notification, or tips about ways to manage your business on Google? Let me just click on yes and next. So I hope you are following. If you haven't subscribed, like, follow my page, please do well and do that. You are now verified. Click on next. Then I will have to put my opening time. So you have to on all of this, on it, because you are always available. If you run a type of e-commerce business or your business is online, please, you need to do this. This is actually what some people pay a huge amount of money to do. This is just what I'm teaching you now for free. If you can actually implement all these things that I've done, you are good to go. It's just a simple way of setting your business for more visibility, so that when they search for your business, they can actually locate you. So after setting your opening and closing time, you click on next. Please provide a valid time, for example 2:45 p.m. Okay. And you can also skip it. Then add messaging. Let customer message your business on Google for free. Click on next. So this is where you add your business description. So I want to add my own now. Let me just say my online VTU data services is a telecommunication is a telecommunicating platform that copy this text, a telecommunication platform that offers solutions to digital needs. Like data, airtime, cable subscription, electricity payments, and so on. So this is my description. Let the picture of my business here. So I will just click on my flyer here. I have my flyer on my phone, so you can select as many as possible. Done. This is the logo. So click on done. Click on done. So I've selected all my images here. So this is just how it looks like whenever you are being verified. So after 14 days, you come back to google.com/business to check if your business has been verified. Then after that you are good to go. So whenever they search your business on Google, it will pop out. So thank you very much for watching. This is Opeyemi, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. And if you would like to follow me also on Facebook, my Facebook handle is Opeyemi TV. Please do well to follow my page too. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.